Before the 1993 movie Demolition Man, Sylvester Stallone wanted Jackie Chan to play the antagonist Simon Phoenix, but Chan turned it down because he didn't want to be typecasted as a foreign villain in U.S. action movies. Eventually the role went to Wesley Snipes, who had initially turned the role down several times, but he finally agreed to it after director Marco Brambilla visited him and told him how excited he was for the movie. Snipes was great for the role because he had charisma and an extensive martial arts background. In fact, Snipes' kicks and punches were so fast that they blurred on camera, and he was asked to slow them down.